My name is Eray Sahin, a PhD candidate in biostatistics and bioinformatics at Acibadem Mehmet Aydinlar University from Istanbul, Turkey. Also currently a guest PhD student at the Center for Evolutionary Hologenomics at Globe Institute, University of Copenhagen, Denmark. Hologenomics is a kind of new approach to find an important missing piece of puzzle for system biology, I think. And we always have been aware of the interaction between microorganisms and hosts or microorganisms and the environment. But the advancements in the omics technologies within the last 2 or 3 decades and wider employment of these technologies by the researchers worldwide led to new discoveries in this bidirectional interaction. Actually, it started with my acceptance into the PhD program, and my journey in bioinformatics began with that. Initially, I was involved in wet lab procedures of the metagenomic analysis using the human samples, and then started to learn and help in analysis of the microbiome data of our collaborators. And they were mainly focusing on the human microbiome and health. Later on, I got a connection with Professor Anton Alberdi at Globe Institute, and I got a chance to visit Center of Evolutionary Hologenomics in last November. At Globe Institute, I'm involved in analysis of multi-omics data, and later I will try to integrate them via machine learning methods within the European Horizon 2020 project called HoloFood. The past century left us some big troubles threatening our health and environment, like the climate crisis, and one of those issues is antibiotic resistance. And antibiotic usage in industrial animal farming has contributed to the problems in this area. And with this project called HoloFood, it was aimed to better understanding of host-gut microbiome interaction through hologenomics approach in farming animals, and use this information to develop natural feeding regimen with food additives instead of using those antibiotics. HoloFood, we are working with the chicken, but in my thesis studies and the other side projects, I was mainly working on the mouse and some human data. Since my bachelor's, I was trying to be away from microbiology, and I hadn't a proper bioinformatics education. So that's why I was trying to be away from the bioinformatics or the computer stuff. But together with my PhD and my current studies, both microbiome and bioinformatics are located at the center of my current and most probably future studies. But in fact, I'm just enjoying it. So may the force be with me.